In a quite bad, relentless procession, Zimbabwe has been burying its senior military generals at a pace that analysts, civil society observers, and ordinary citizens are struggling to explain, away as coincidence or natural attrition. Between April 2024 and March 2026, at least 13 separate burial events have taken place, and the National Heroes Act in Harare, 10 of them involving military officers at brigadier general rank or above. That is a rate of roughly one general per 5 to 6 weeks. When compared with the Zimbabwe's neighbors and fellow former liberation struggle states, Mozambique and Zambia, the contrast is not merely stark, it is extraordinary. Nzarabena mashikobdanyi kwapangwana achins a comparative investigation into the mortality of senior military officers in Zimbabwe, Mozambique and Zambia, and what numbers review. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibina mashikobdanyi Zimbabwe's generals are dying at a rate that has no regional parallel every month. Ayondambira HT. In late April 2024, President Mnangagwa presided over the burial of Brigadier General Sadc alongside two national heroes at the National Heroes Acre, the second triple burial in Zimbabwe's history since independence. Rising, it would prove to be the open act in an unbroken series of high-profile military funerals. Brigadier General Romeo Daniel Muchunguma, who had served as Zimbabwe's defense attaché to the United States, died on June 19, 2024 at an age of 67 and was interred at Heroes Acre on July 1. 3 weeks later, Brigadier General Michael Chibinuka, whose Chimrenga name was Pepkayondo, was buried after dying on July 13 from a short illness aged 62. Before August was out, General Maketh Ndebele, a former Zebra High Command member who died at his home in Caudray Park, Bulawayo at 82, was also laid to rest at the National Shrine. September brought the burial of Brigadier General Richard Shadrack Tingani Dambambi, who died at his farm in Glendale. October saw the burial of Comrade Chinga Dube, with President Mnangagwa personally handing over the national flag to Dube's widow. Our developments are good upon Bino Kurukono Kogunzi. Mafiro arbiter majenerals in Zimbabwe, Pankwa ine anyas kunokwakunzi azvichatsana kuriki, Pankwa ine kunokwazi analyst ari kuzviona achiti zviri extraordinary. Ndinakoma section medu dzafungura enyi muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, or turn the bell icon.